Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of my Cirkul, Your Water Your Way. I ordered it directly from the website and they sent it USPS ground. It took about a week. I paid a little extra. So first things first, the bottle, I got a 32 ounce plastic because I'm like, that's cool, because I probably will drink it pretty fast, especially with the flavors. So there's that, and here is the I picked the green trim, and it goes on like this. Then you put the pods right here, so I'm gonna show you the flavor. I got the Berta Fruit Medley. I'll review these later. They're less than $4 each. I got the Caramel Iced Coffee, especially for the morning. And I got the Tropical Laugh. It looks like there's bananas, oranges, limes, and yeah. And then I got the fruit punch. And tropical lemonade. Yes, look at that. Let's see. It's looks like it's gonna have like flavors from cherries, apples, and oranges. Okay. Okay. And then sweet tea. My coworker Alicia told me that this was pretty good, so I cannot wait because I love sweet tea. So I encourage you to try these, and I'll be doing videos to review each flavor as I try them. Have a good day.